Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Hisense 15-inch Smart TV, one of the most searched and budget-friendly TVs on the market right now. If you are planning to buy a Hisense TV or you want to know exactly what comes inside the box, ports, design, remote, interface, this video will show you everything you need to know. Let's dive in straight into the unboxing. First, let's take a look at the carton. Hisense always keep it clean, large bold branding, the 15-inch display label, and a breakdown of major specs on the side. Nothing too flashy, just straightforward packaging that tells you exactly what you're getting. Alright, let's open it up. As soon as you cut through the seal and lift the top, the first thing you see are the TV's legs, simple, solid and lightweight. They are the usual Hisense style, easy to install and stable enough for a 15-inch screen. Then right underneath the phone, we have the TV. Let's lift it out carefully. Pulling up the nylon, there it is, a clean, slim bezel design. Now let's fix the legs. It is very easy, 2 screws each, slot in, tighten and you're done. Anyone can set it up under a minute. Taking a look at the back, pretty normal for Hisense TV. You get 2 HDMI ports, USB port, antenna inputs, digital audio output, AV in, LAN ports. Standard but enough for everyday use. Inside the box we also have the Hisense latest remote, sleek, lightweight and very responsive. It looks modern and feels comfortable in the hand. Let's plug it in, power it on and the Hisense splash screen appears instantly. The interface still remains the same familiar Hisense layout, clean, simple and easy to navigate. There's a little first time setup where we have the language Wi-Fi basic configuration but nothing complicated. And that is it, a straightforward unboxing and first look at the Hisense 15-inch Smart TV. If you want a budget-friendly TV with simple features and a clean interface, this model is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this unboxing or find it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.